How you doing, friends? We're still doing work on the hull and inspecting, and we were checking this plug here. We took it apart and everything is fine with it. It's still strong, so we seal it and put it back on again. We found two through holes near the engine. They were for engines, they were for electronics. We took them apart and we sealed them. I'll show you. Give me just 1 second. And there was one here and one here. So we sanded, kind of a countersink, and we put layers of fiberglass, 5 layers, smaller, larger and larger, and also on the outside too, double on both of them. And the last one is a whole one thing because they're kind of close, one with the other one. So that's what we did so far. So pretty much the entire hole in the under is fine, and we change everything that is related and connected with the propel shaft. We changed bolts. If you look on the other previous video that I had, the bolts were brass and they were pretty much eating out, so I replaced them all with stainless steel. That's the cutlass for the shaft, and this is the rudder. I got the parts inside, and I show you now with the stuffing box and the nuts. We have to order parts, so I'll show you what we got here. Gotta climb it now. Whew. Up and down like 100 times today, and also underneath. Okay, here we are. I just want to give you an update because it's been 2 weeks that I haven't put anything. We replaced all these bolts. We went to fastener, and my friend Andy Lott, great hand, gave me these stainless steel bolts, washers, and this is the key for the shaft attached to the engine. I gotta replace this. They're very bad shape. When I was trying to take them off, I thought they were gonna break on me, but with lubricant I got them out. So I'm gonna replace this. I might replace this flywheel. This is the key. Looks good. I mean, it's sanding. Okay, this is the stuffing box. Okay, and this is the nut for the stuffing box. This is the sealing inside. Sealing. I have to order. I don't have it. Have to remove this one and put new ones on it. And this is what avoids the water goes into the boat. Because this is now you have to leave. You have to tune this up. You have to allow to keep the shaft cool, otherwise it might break. They said 2 to 3 drops of water while you're not running, and the bilge would take care of that, so it's not a big deal. And 1 drop maybe per minute. We're talking 2 drops per minute, and 1 drop per minute when you are running. Okay, same thing here. This is the one for the rudder. I'm gonna replace it. We clean it up. Stainless steel gonna replace it. And this is what like I said, I have to order these gaskets. They're wax gasket that you coil in like a little rope, and that's what it prevents for water seeping through. And this is the, look at this, nasty, eh? Okay, so this is the stuffing box. Goes here and it goes to the shaft, and all that's going to be replaced. This is the board that goes for the rudder. I'm going to also replace it with composite decking boards. No more wood, okay? It's going to go composite wood. The shaft is in good health, in good conditions. That was my concern. It may be worn, you know, bent, whatever. I said, well, no, but the shaft is in good shape. I haven't removed the propeller. I don't need to remove the propeller. It's in good shape also. I might have to remove it when I try to put everything together again, but I don't think I have to, because I managed to slide it out and remove it. And I'm going to try to get for the cutlass bearing, that we need to change the cutlass bearing. We need to change it, and I might get a pulley. Kind of dark, right? But cutlass bearing, I changed bolts already. Bolts back there too. Bolts here on the rudder. All that is being changed. The rudder is in excellent condition, doesn't shake. This is the shaft. The bearings inside. Am I gonna get a tool there? I don't need to take the shaft off, but if that's the case, I just remove the propel and replace the shaft. Well, that is what we've been working on this weekend, and this is my little shop. It's a mess, but I know where everything is, because I don't know why, but sometimes I put something on the table and that's it, disappears, never find it again. But you know the stories. Well, we need to go and buy this. This is a regular water hose, and the gaskets I have to order them. Buy more bolts, maybe. This one replaced it. Everything else is fine, my friends. So far it's pretty much maintenance work. I haven't done really any remodeling yet, or restoration, if you want to call it. The whole project is a restoration, but that's what we're going to be doing. Okay, folks, I'll keep you posted with any other change. Next week, like I said, we're going to finish with this. We're going to then paint the hull finally, so we can move on, okay? And we can get to other things. But it was very important to me to replace those bolts, because they were in very bad shape, and one thing takes you to the next one, you know what I mean? When you take something apart, oh, okay, we got to change this again, or then okay, we change this, and then you end up changing 3-4 things when you only thought that you needed to replace one thing. So you know the story, it's all the same. Okay, folks, thank you very much. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.